morning everyone. So today we are at the Golconda Fort. So this is the area where you can get the tickets for the fort. So this is the entry of the fort. So I'll be telling you the info about the fort as we go in. So today we are visiting the Golconda Fort. So you can have a look at Taramati Mosque right behind me, and towards my right you can see the fort. You can pause the video over here and read this. So this is the map of the Golconda Fort. Again you can pause over here and read this info. So right now we are climbing towards the top of the fort. So at the base of this fort there's a place where you whisper a little loud. The thing can be heard at the top of the fort. Place in front of me. So this is a place where you can hear the sound which is made at the base of the fort. Thank you for watching my video. So please do like, share, subscribe and comment down in comment section. Please do follow me on my social media. Thank you.